Now let's talk about the new updates on Noisemaker or surface noise. So we've added a new ability under Noisemaker. If you open up your noise, you can see that by default, we have this generic noise that we can tweak the strength, change that scale. Now, not only can we pick an alpha, and I'm gonna pick this concrete displacement here, and I'm gonna turn off that mixed basic noise. But now you can actually, instead of having to remove the alpha in order to turn it off and on, you can actually disable the alpha. So let me just up that strength ever so slightly, change that scale. And not only can you turn it on and off without having to remove the actual alpha, you can actually transform the alpha without tweaking the image in a third-party application. Keep in mind that I'm not using UVs. I'm actually tweaking the image without having to go outside of ZBrush to make those changes in a more destructive way. Now, this allows me to not only offset this, but also scale in the X and the Y. Of course, we only have 2 dimensions because it's a 2D image, but we can also change that angle, the angle of the image. And keep in mind, again, I'm not using UVs, meaning that this projection sometimes gets a little stretched in areas where we don't want, because we want a particular face and it's projecting from one side. So we can actually change that scale and that rotation over here to circumvent some of those issues. Now, after you've done that, you can also reset the scale and reset the angle in order to restart from scratch. Now, the benefit of this is that you can keep tweaking the alpha at the same time that you're tweaking your generic basic noise. This means you can see and preview your results in real time.